Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about a fantastic way to celebrate that milestone birthday. The best 18th birthday cupcake toppers from Gyufise. If you're looking to add a touch of fun and sparkle to your birthday celebrations, stick around. As you approach that big 1 to 8, it's time to make a statement, and these cupcake toppers do just that. This package includes 24 beautifully designed cupcake toppers featuring a vintage 2006 theme with sparkling glitter accents in a deep blue color. Whether you're throwing a big party or just having a small get-together, these toppers are sure to elevate your dessert display and add an extra layer of excitement. Let's talk about the design. Each topper is made from high-quality 300-gram cardstock, ensuring they stand tall and look fabulous on your treats. They feature delightful phrases like 18 and adultish, capturing the essence of stepping into adulthood with a playful twist. Plus, they come pre-assembled, so you can easily pop them right into your cupcakes without any hassle. The best part? These toppers are designed for safety. They use food-grade toothpicks, making them safe to use on cakes, cupcakes, ice cream, or even fruit. Imagine how adorable they'll look perched on top of your favorite desserts. These cupcake toppers aren't just limited to birthday celebrations. They can be used for a variety of occasions, such as milestone anniversaries or themed parties. You can even get creative and use them to decorate other desserts like pies and cheese platters. Their versatility makes them a valuable addition to your party supplies. So, if you're planning an 18th birthday bash and want to make it memorable, the Gyufise 18th birthday cupcake toppers are an excellent choice. They blend quality, fun, and style perfectly, ensuring your celebration looks as good as it tastes. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more great products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy birthday to all those celebrating, and remember, make it a day to remember with the best cupcake toppers in town.